Tired of foggy windshields and hard-to-reach spots? We've got your ultimate cleaning solution right here. Check out the SEAMETAL Car Front Windshield Defogging Brush, a powerful little tool designed to clean your car glass, sunroof, and windshields, inside and out. And the best part? It's just $3.34, down from $10.77. That's 69% off. Link in the description. This isn't your average glass brush. Aluminum alloy rod, lightweight and durable. Ultrafine fiber head, removes fog, dust, and grime effortlessly. ABS plus foam grip, ergonomic and comfy in the hand. Retractable design, from 32 centimeters to 50.5 centimeters for extended reach. Use it for your front windshield, sunroof, interior and exterior glass, and even at home for mirrors or windows. With strong water absorption and precise dust removal, you'll get a crystal clear view in seconds. Available in black, orange, and blue. Pick the one that matches your ride's vibe. Don't let fog or dust block your view again. For just $3.34, this brush is a total must-have for your car kit. Grab yours now. Link in the description below. Like the deal? Hit that like button, subscribe for more budget car care tools, comment if you're grabbing one.